Welcome to 699 Tumbleweed Circle in Incline Village, Nevada. This is a quiet location with access to year-round activities. This mountain home features peak lake views and has room for friends and family with 4 bedrooms. The main living level has a spacious kitchen with dining area and a private deck. The living room has an Xtrordinaire gas light wood-burning fireplace and another sunny deck with lake views. The master bedroom is spacious and includes a double-sided fireplace and a large bath with a spa tub and separate shower. The mid-level has a second family room and 2 bedrooms with a shared bath. The lower level features another large bedroom, level access, and a sunny southern exposure. This home is offered furnished with few exclusions.
Cheers to the lake life.